Hey sports fans, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite post-workout meals. If you're a vegetarian who enjoys moving heavy weights around, then this is the post-workout protein-packed lunch for you. This dish came about thanks to a mix of some Indian and lentil soup leftovers. We'd eaten most of the Indian leftovers and just had some rice with a taste of garam masala hanging on. And the leftover lentil soup became more of a lentil stew after sitting in the fridge overnight. So we mixed them together because we do not waste food, and ended up with a new regular in our weekday lunch routine that I especially love after coming back from the gym, hence I'm rocking the schlubby gym look here. Like many of my favorites, it's a wildly simple dish that comes together pretty damn quickly. Chop up an onion, some garlic, carrots, and for this special edition, potatoes because they've been sitting in the cupboard, and again, we do not waste food. Sauté all of that together with salt, pepper, basil, oregano, and garam masala. After a few minutes, throw in a cup of lentils, 3/4 cup rice, and add about 4-ish cups of water or veggie stock. Bring to a boil, cover, and lower to medium heat until the rice is cooked and the lentils are tender. That's it! If you're not quite a fully righteous vegan, then you can sprinkle a little feta on top for a bisla extra protein. Remember, the next time someone asks you, "But where do you get your protein?" just send them this video and say this. This is my protein. Alright, now let's see if it still holds up. Yep. Yummo. The carrots aren't too mushy, so you got a little bit of texture. Feta's nice, but you don't need it if you're vegan. Yeah, I mean, it's a wildly simple, straightforward, high protein, post-workout meal that I've been coming back to time and time again. So that's one of my favorite post-workout meals, but if you want something that's more of like a carbo load meal, something you might have the night before a big race, then check out this recipe up here for Sicilian pesto, which is what I had the night before I PR'd in the Berlin Marathon.